Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to talk about the hash pirates, okay? So this just got launched last night, and this is the total balance or contract balance in here. So we're going to talk about how you can start in hash pirates rather, how much money that you need to start, and of course if you haven't subscribed in our channel, please do subscribe right now. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content, and let's just jump right into it, okay? So this is a second generation BNB miner that has a lot of enhancement improvement. So compared to baked beans, this has 80% feedback tax. So I will zoom it to you guys so that you'll be able to see it. And also they do have a compound timer of 12 hours. A withdrawal cooldown of 4 hours. So in here, you can withdraw it just for every 4 hours. Unlike on other miners, you can withdraw it anytime. And I believe it is being put because of there is a good side of it. Also, it's very important, guys, that this is a high risk, high reward kind of investment or in project. So make sure to just start low. If you can't afford the money that you will put here, just start low. But if not, if you do not like this kind of project, feel free to check out some of our other projects, other videos that we are reviewing in our YouTube channel. Okay, so again, this is 6% daily, so you'll get 2% additional if you compound it, so that's 8%. If you're going to go down here, you can start for whatever money that you want to start. So in my case, I can start for like 0.1 BNB or even 0.2 BNB, 0.01 BNB or 0.02 BNB. There's no minimum amount for you to start here. You can start for as low as $4, $10, $20, $40. But of course, just keep it on just put the money that you can afford to lose. That's just the golden rule, okay? So in here, we're going to hire some pirates because why not? So the gas fees are very minimal. So this is the gas fee. So let's continue. Let's just wait for it to actually pop off and appear in our MetaMask. Okay, it says confirm, right? So it's confirmed, as you can see here. And it will be full in 47 hours. And of course, you can rehard it on the next 12 hours as well. So this is the catch here. If you compound it without withdrawing, your compound bonus grows by 2%, maximum of 20%. Withdrawal will reset your bonus to 0. But of course, just like my advocacy to in every other videos, if you guys are going to go in here, please get your ROI back first, and then you can do whatever the hell you want. Okay, compound bonus is good. It's not like I am discouraging you guys, but of course ROI is the one that we are looking for in any sort of projects that we're going to jump in, right? Especially we are in crypto. So the audits are coming soon, but this is the contract like I will be showing to you guys. So please wait for me, okay, to share it to you guys. So this is the contract address. So it is verified. As you can see, the developer can't edit this one, okay? So I just want to keep it simple. I want to make it easier for you guys to understand. And also the good thing also into this kind of project is that if I will look on the comment section, there's no bad comment yet, which one of the signs that I'm looking for if it is a scam or not. So if you have any questions, feel free to go into the frequently asked questions, or you can call this as FAQ. So this is the Cash Pirates, a decentralized application built on the Binance Smart Chain, and it is different because it has an anti-whale measures than any other baked beans forks and even mining projects that are currently up right now. So let's check the Telegram. Okay, so we can always join in here. If you have any questions, you can just go directly into this. This is a very new project, I would say. So I will be putting it as well into the description box below for your reference as well. So they do also have a Twitter. Just feel free to go over there. And again, this is Crypto Addict here, guys, back again with new content, and see you on the next video. Peace out.